true access to justice for me is having true people that represent your demographic being able to represent you.
Right.
And how do you bridge that gap? Because right now there's a financial barrier to having that.
There is a financial barrier. I think, though, in addition to the financial barrier, there's not enough like visibility for those of us who have breached the gap and who are like, I think we get into this space and we're like, I'm gonna lay low. I'm in here. I'm gonna tiptoe around. Like, think about it. How many Black lawyers do you know who market heavy?
So in LA, it's
None?
a little different. Well, no, we like Ben Crump. Like there's very.
He's from
Well,
Tallahassee.
Ben Crump markets everywhere.
Yeah, Ben's
He went to
from
law school with
Tallahassee.
my friend Connell Doyle. They were buddies from law school. But
think
Black
about that.
lawyers
So
that
there's
advertise
Ben-
in LA. In LA, we have always had.
Like we don't know a big market.
We've always had the Cochran firm in LA. I knew Johnny Cochran.
Yeah.
He was the
So
coolest
Carl Douglas,
dude.
like, there's a lot of big hidden.
Back in the old days, Cochran
really
would show up at a Cala meeting wearing a red suit and like purple crocodile shoes. I mean, he was true.
He was.
He was a true.
Did you know his partner?
G.
Why am I drawing a blank? Like, I'm not drawing.
White dude from Texas.
No.
Cochran practiced with Brian.
Brian Dunn.
Brian Dunn.
Brian Dunn.
Yeah.
Brian Dunn was in. Brian Dunn.
Joe Barrett was there for a minute.
Joe
Amy
Barrett's
Bier's
there.
Sec, which is one of my best
Bier
friends.
is
I love
there.
her
She's the
so
best.
much. She's
Yeah, I
awesome.
mean,
She's a
but
special
Brian Dunn
person.
was there with Johnny back in the day when he was, but Johnny Cochran was the coolest guy. Man, I'm lucky that I got to meet him, got to hang with him, saw him speak a lot, had dinner with him a couple times, and then he got some kind of weird cancer and
brain
just died
cancer.
like instantly.
So his
Crazy.
partner in Alabama was Jock Smith. Did you ever meet Jock?
Never
He used
met
to
Jock.
wear these loud suits. So his
Just like
daughter
Johnny.
went to law school with me. And I remember he came to school and he had this like powder blue suit with matching
Oh, I love
powder
it.
blue gaiters. And my law school is pretty conservative, especially back then. And I remember seeing him and saying to myself, like, oh, I'm good. Like, all I gotta do is get through this process, right? Like, all I have to do is get through the things that they tell me I have to do in order to be a lawyer, and then I can be myself.